Good morning. Today I will discuss about the BSc class. So find the area of ellipse x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equal to 1. So ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ so area of ellipse ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ellipse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ suppose if you have take ellipse this have to imagine this have ellipse have this have four quadrant. This have to four quadrant. This is how x axis, this have another x dash, this have y axis, this have y dash. This have to first quadrant. This have first quadrant, this have second quadrant, this have third quadrant, this have to fourth quadrant. There are four quadrants in the area of ellipse. First is given how to second quadrant given number. So already x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equal to 1. You have to so area of ellipse. And area of ellipse into you have to y square divided by b square equal to 1. You have to LH is equal to RX का बंद रहना नमूगा. So plus is equal to minus equal to have to x square divided by a square. You have to multiplications y square divided by b square. So you have to multiplication approximately a square minus x square divided by a square. Then you have to so y square into we have to this multiple cross multiplication of energy. So b square so bracket can be a square minus x square divided by a square. We have to so we in the squaring. So you have to only y has to look under you have to y axis. So I have to this is the first quadrant. Second y equal to so y ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ square root of so b square so bracket a square minus x square divided by a square. So ನಮಗೆ ಏನಂತಿ square root ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus or minus. So ಎರಡು sign apply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus or minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Second another one you have to find the first quadrant. So area of the first quadrant. Area of the first quadrant. So area of the first quadrant under. So ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ area equal to so integration of y into so dx. So boundary condition ತಗೋತೀವಿ you have to take a boundary condition. So boundary condition ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. So integration ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ boundary condition ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಬೇಕು so boundary condition ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. boundary condition ಏನು ತಗೋತೀರಿ so x equal to 0 comma x is equal to a. So ಯಾಕೆ x equal to ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಏನಂತಿಲಿ x is equal to if you have to x a comma 0. So you have to if x is equal to a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Second ಅದರ so 0 this have to b. So x is equal to a ಇರುತ್ತೆ remaining part into y equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Second y equal to becomes x equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ y equal to b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ boundary condition ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 0 to x is equal to 0 x is equal to a ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. So you have to find that and your total area. So total area of ellipse. So total area of ellipse means so total area of ellipse ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ellipse ಇದೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so 1 2 3 4 so four quadrant means 4 times of integrations y into so dx. So y into dx ನಮಗೆ ಎಂತ ಬೌಂಡರಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು 0 to a to ತಗೊಂಡು so ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ area so area is equal to what so 4 times integration 0 to a. So y equal to ಏನಂತ already know that so y equal to ಏನಂತ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ is our equation number 1 to us. So 14 equation 1 to us. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ 14 equation number y 14 equation. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ y equal to ನಮಗೆ so have to take so y equal to square root of b square bracket a square minus x square divided by a square into so dx. Yes, if I take the example, so a equal to 4 times of square root tone again outside tone square root of so squares will get cancelled b outside. So square get cancelled so a outside. So remaining part integration 0 to a square root of a square minus x square into so dx. You already learned about this second PUC formula. You know that already. So here integration of square root of a square minus x square into dx. So x by 2 square root of a square minus x square. So plus, so that plus a square divided by 2 into sine inverse of x. This is very important question. So have to very important question, 5 markers. This have to 5 markers. So integration is square root of a square minus x square into dx. X divided by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square divided by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. This have to very important formula. So you have to put in the equations. So can you rub this first? So here put ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So ಏನು put ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ? So ನಮಗೆ already a equal to 4ba. So ನಮಗೆ integration. So 0 to a. How to 0 to a ಆದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So x by 2. So x by 2 square root of a square minus x square. So then plus a square divided by 2 sine inverse of x by a. You have to go to applying 0 to a. Integration is upper limit, lower limit apply. So first upper limit apply. Upper limit is a. You have to a equal to 4b divided by a. So you have to h the upper limit apply. H the apply a divided by 2 square root of a square minus a square. So again a square divided by 2 into sine inverse of a divided by a. ಯಾವುದೇ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ is 0 ಐತೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ 0 ಹಾಕೋದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ 0. ನಾವು ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 0 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನಂತೆ ಸೊ 0 second 0 this out to 0 0. So answer is 0. Apply with 0. Second answer area equal to 4 times 4b divided by a. So ಏನಂತ this becomes 0. So ಏನಂತ ಇದು ಏನಂತ 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. So now 0 ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ 0 ಆಗಿದೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ a square divided by 2 becomes 0. Second answer result a square equal to becomes 0. Second answer sine inverse of a equal to 4b divided by a. Yes, sine inverse 1 equal to already know that sine inverse 1 equal to another pi by 2. Yes, pi by 2. So you have to take on the you have to put so into pi by 2. Yes, so you have to area equal to you can rub this we have to area equal to so area equal to 4b divided by a. So a square pi a square divided by so 2 is to 4 2 to the 4. Yes, so area equal to a square is get cancelled 4 times of pi ab divided by 4. So 4 get cancel pi into ab. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೊ pi into ab. ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್ is equal to area equal to pi into ab. So you have to result. Thank you.